Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use Audacity to your record YouTube audio. For that you have to download this application Audacity, which is freely available on browser. After downloading Audacity you have to open it, and after that you have to click on this audio setup where you can set all your audio related things. Just click on that. Now here you can see there is a option called playback device. It means your headphones. You have to select headphones from here. Don't make mistake. Don't choose microphone from here. After that, here you can see this recording device. Now here you have to choose your microphone. Just simply click on that. After choosing your headphones and microphones, click on this start recording button. Now, as you can see here, the audio is started recording. Now my voice is going very peak, so I will simply drag this little bit down to make it good. So this is how you can record your audio in Audacity for YouTube videos. If this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.